Hello everyone. Today we are going to go through the intersection of straight lines and circles. The diagram shows you a circle with origin as the center and a radius of 4. Now there are 3 straight lines here which can intersect the circle in 3 different ways. Now this straight line can intersect the circle only at just one point. So, there is one point of intersection. A line that intersects the circle only at one point is called a tangent. So, this line is called a tangent. A tangent to a circle is a straight line that intersects the circle at only one point. Now this may intersect the circle at 2 different points. So there are 2 points of intersection. How about this? This line may not intersect the circle at all. So here, no points of intersection. And what did you learn just now? The 3 lines can intersect the circle in 3 different ways. They can either intersect the circle at one point of intersection, or can intersect the circle at 2 different points, or they may not intersect the circle at all. Now let's use the concepts of algebra to find the coordinates of the points of intersection. First question. Find the coordinates of the points where the line y equal x plus 4 meets the circle x plus 3 whole thing squared plus y minus 5 whole thing squared is equal to 34. So there is a straight line which is y is equal to x plus 4. This line meets the circle x minus 3 whole thing squared plus y minus 5 whole thing squared is equal to 34. Now I need to find the points of intersection. First thing, I am going to substitute. Let me name this as 1 and let me name this as equation 2. Okay. Now substitute y equals x plus 4 into equation 2. X minus 3 whole thing squared plus y is x plus 4 minus 5 whole thing squared is equal to 34. X minus 3 is, let me write it twice, I need to expand this, plus x minus 1 whole thing squared is equal to 34. This is x squared minus 6x plus 9 once we expand it, plus this gives you x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 34. Now bring all the like terms to one side, which is x squared plus x squared is 2x squared, minus 6x minus 2x is minus 8x, plus 9 plus 1 is plus 10. Bring the 34 to this side, minus 34 is equal to 0. 2x squared minus 8x minus 24 is equal to 0. I am going to further simplify this by dividing it by 2. So you are left with x squared minus 8 divided by 2 is 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now the line intersects the circle. Now in order to see whether it intersects the circle at one point or at two different points, let me use this concept. B square minus 4ac. If it is greater than 0, then this line intersects the circle at two different points. B square minus 4ac. If it is equal to 0, then there is only one point of intersection. You will get 2 points of intersection. Here there is only one point of intersection. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, you will get no point of intersection. So here the b value is minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 12 with minus 4 square minus 4 into a is 1 into minus 12, and that has to be greater than 0 if it is intersecting the circle. Minus 4 squared is 16, minus into minus is plus, 4 2s are 8, 4 into 12 is 48. Now this is greater than 0, 48 plus 16 is 64 is greater than 0. 48 plus 16 is 64, which is greater than 0. So you will have 2 points of intersection. Now I'll factorize this. X square minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 6 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. These are the factors you get. X minus 6 into x plus 2. Minus 6 into plus 2 is minus 12. 2x minus 6x gives you minus 4x. Therefore, your x, the values of x are x is equal to 6 or x is equal to minus 2. Now simply substitute these values in the straight line equation to get the coordinates. So your straight line equation was y is equal to x plus 4. Y is equal to x plus 4. Let me just separate this. So when x equals 6, y is equal to 6 plus 4, which is 10. So one coordinate is 6, 10. When x equals minus 2, y is equal to minus 2 plus 4, that is 2. So another coordinate is minus 2, 2. Therefore, the points of intersection are 6, 10 and minus 2, 2. So these are the points of intersection. So we see this particular circle and the line is intersecting at two different points. So if I draw a circle here, the circle and the line, they intersect at two different points because we got two sets of coordinates which are minus 2, 2 and 6, 10. Now let's move on to the next set of questions. Show that the line x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0 does not meet the circle. So we have got a line x minus y minus 10 equal to 0, that's a straight line equation, and the circle equation is x squared minus 4x plus y squared is equal to 21. And we need to show that this line does not meet the circle. First, let me make y the subject of the formula. Let me name this as 1, equation 1, and from here y is equal to x minus 10, and that is equation number 2. As I said before, when it is less than 0, b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, there are no real roots. Now, substitute y is equal to x minus 10 into equation 1. So, you are left with x squared minus 4x plus x minus 10 whole thing square is equal to 0. So, left with x squared minus 4x plus x squared minus 20x plus 100 is equal to 0. Now take the like terms, x squared plus x squared is 2x squared, minus 4x minus 28 is minus 24x, plus 100, sorry, this has to be 21, plus 100, bring the 21 to this side, minus 21 is equal to 0. So 2x squared minus 24x plus 100 minus 21 is 79 is equal to 0. Now here the a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 24 and c is equal to 79. So I am going to use the formula b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. B squared is minus 24 squared minus 4 into 2 into 79 is less than 0. Minus 24 squared is 576 minus 4 into 2 into 79 is 632 is less than 0. So you get a negative value minus 56 which is less than 0. Therefore, this proves that this particular line will not intersect the circle at all. So now if I want to draw a diagram to represent this question, it would be the circle is here whose equation is x squared minus 4x plus y squared is equal to 21, and the straight line will not intersect the circle at all. Okay. Now lastly, we'll move on to the last question. Here, third one, show that the line x plus y is equal to 11 meets the circle with equation x squared plus y minus 3 whole thing square is equal to 32 at only one point. So you have the line x plus y is equal to 11 and the equation of the circle is x squared plus y minus 3 whole thing squared is equal to 32. So let me name this as equation number 1, and this would be, let me make y the subject of the formula so that it is easy for you to tackle the question. Y is equal to 11 minus x, equation number 2. Now we are supposed to show them that they intersect only at one point. At one point, remember, b squared minus 4ac should be equal to 0. That means we are supposed to get a repeated root. Now let me substitute y equals 11 minus x into equation 1. So you get x squared plus 11 minus x whole thing square is equal to 32. X square plus 11 minus x into 11 minus x is equal to 32. X square, there is 11 minus x, there is minus 3 also here. (11 minus x) and there is minus 3 is equal to 32. So I left with 11 minus 3 is 8 minus x whole thing square is equal to 32 plus 8 minus x into 8 minus x is equal to 32. So x square plus 8 into 8 is 64 minus 8x is 16x plus x square is equal to 32. Now remove the brackets. X square plus x square is 2x square minus 16x plus 64. Bring the 32 to this side. You get minus 32 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 16x plus 32 is equal to 0. Now let me simplify this further by dividing it by 2. Cancels. X square minus 8x plus 32 divided by 2 is 16 is equal to 0. Now if I put this here, let me see whether this side is equal to this side. B is minus 8 A equals 1, C equals 16. B is equal to minus 8, A is equal to 1, C is equal to 16. Now B squared is minus 8 whole thing square minus 4 into 1 into 16 should be equal to 0. So this is 64 minus 16 into 4 is 64. So your left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Therefore you will get a repeated root here. So which is proved by b squared minus 4ac is being equal to 0. Now let me take this. X squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. I factorize this. It becomes x minus 4 into x minus 4. So we are getting a repeated root which is x is equal to 4. Finally substitute this into the equation of the line, which is y equals 11 minus x. So y is equal to 11 minus 4, that is 7. Therefore this is the coordinate. Now if I put this into a diagram to show how it represents, your diagram will look like a circle with only one point of intersection. And this point is 4, 7. Okay, and that line is called the tangent. So a summary of what we have learned so far is, if a line intersects the circle only at one point, then b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. If a line intersects the circle at two different points, b squared minus 4ac should be greater than 0. If the line does not intersect the circle at all, then b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. Thank you.